Hold up. How am I supposed to watch TV if I forgot my blanket? Let me pause the TV. Huh? I just pressed the pause button. What's going on? Why is the remote not working?
What happened? Man, I'm in a mess.
Maybe this thing is busted. Let me press the other buttons.
ZG Squad, I froze. Then I made this big mess. Then I went back fast. I don't know what's going on. At least I don't have to clean the mess up because it disappeared.
Why is this thing not working?